from that? Because that's something that's common on all trucks nowadays, the LED lights, and they're fairly bright. Is yours do something different or have more bulbs in it, or what makes yours brighter than what we've already got out there?
You got it. So one of the key parts about driving, of course, is reducing distraction. And so the OEMs find that if you make your rear-facing red lights at the maximum legal brightness, the driver behind is going to get annoyed because they don't need to be that bright for you to see them. If you're looking, they can be at about a quarter maximum brightness. The only challenge, and that normally works, except for the few times you need that person to react just a little bit faster, because a split second is all the difference it takes for a rear end crash.
Right.
And of course, because of that, rear end crashes are the most common type of crash. And so in that scenario, we really look to predict exactly when a rear crash occurs. And we can now illuminate the lights ultra brightly so that driver behind reacts up to 50% faster.